Hey guys, all right, so let's run down what's going on. There's a lot going on. So I saw on Twitter that Marco's Pizza was giving you their large Pepperoni Magnifico. It looks like this. Looks absolutely beautiful. You get it for like $10, a large pizza, right? And Marco's does a pretty good job if you've ever been to Marco's. So the crazy thing is, though, you have to order it online. I don't know why everybody's like, oh yeah, you get this deal if you go through the app, or you go online and you go through the app. Are we that crazy? Have we done that? Is everything online now? It's like nobody wants to deal with you. There's no way to order the pizza other than through their apps now, which, I mean, it's getting kind of easy, don't get me wrong. Ordering through apps is kind of quick, so I'm not knocking it. But the fact that the discount code only works online, that's kind of a bummer. But here's your discount code. Okay, so we got the discount code. I think it was a $5 off discount code. They said it was for the large Pepperoni Magnifico, but it just said $5 off. So it may work on any pizza, I don't know. So try that code with other pizzas and see, let me know if it works, all right? But in the meantime, we're leaving right now to get our pizza. Let's see if it looks like the picture. Let's see if it's any good. And we'll see. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Marco's Pizza, and we're going to go in, and we'll check our pizzas in a minute. Those larges don't look very large. See that hanging on the wall? It says large. It's not like a Costco large or a Sam's Club large. It's kind of like a Marco's large.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
You too.
This is a pretty nice sized piece, and it's got lots of pepperoni on it. I'm very impressed with how much pepperoni they used. This is a Pepperoni Magnifico, so it better have a lot of pepperoni. Let's give it a try. It's kind of just average. Seems to have enough crust. It's beautifully cooked. Everything tastes good. I probably would want more cheese on it, but it seems to have more dough than cheese. Can't go wrong for $10. Here's the code again. Try the code. It should work for you. Got some red pepper flakes sticking in my throat. But yeah, good job. What's it called? Marco's? Mm-hmm. Yeah, good job, Marco's. I haven't been a big fan of theirs till I moved to Tennessee and I learned about them. So anyway, show them some love. Tell them you saw it on the show, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.